In today's video, we are going to show you how to permanently delete your Telegram account. Keep in mind, this process is irreversible, so make sure you really want to delete it before continuing. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open your Telegram. You can do this on the PC or your mobile device because the process is the same. And then go to your profile and hover to the settings. And then go to privacy and security and hover down below where you can see the option that says delete my account. Okay? Now, as you can see, deleting your account is permanent. Okay? And it's irreversible. Remember, so make sure that you really want to delete it before continuing. Now, if your account doesn't have the option to permanently delete or you're deleting it but nothing happens, go to the Telegram support, provide and describe your problem, and that's going to be deleting your account because you're having issues. And they will provide some technical solutions on how to potentially fix it. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.